my God, yes, that's right. The Suzuki Boulevard C50T is back. And for 2126, it arrives with big power. Big change, a new look, and a bold new design. You won't believe it at first. But this legendary cruiser is ready to remind everyone why a brand is always a brand. Some people say Suzuki is quiet and silent. No. Suzuki is working smart, and when it returns strong big power that commands the road. The 2026 Suzuki Boulevard C50T is built around the idea of smooth, confident power. The V-twin engine delivers strong, low-end torque that feels effortless on highways. And relaxed in the city, this is not about noise. It's about authority. The power delivery is refined, controlled, and mature, proving once again that Suzuki understands real-world riding. Big change for 2026, more than just an update. This is not a small refresh. The 2026 model represents a big change in attitude. Suzuki has focused on improving ride quality, balance, and long-distance comfort. The Boulevard C50T feels more planted, more premium, and more confident than ever before. Every change feels purposeful, designed for riders who love classic cruisers, but expect modern reliability. New look, new design. Classic meets modern. The new design is where the legend truly shines. The 2026 Boulevard C50T keeps its iconic cruiser DNA, while adding sharper lines and a cleaner overall presence. The touring windshield saddlebags and wide handlebars give it a strong road trip identity. Chrome accents and deep paint finishes enhance the premium feel, making this bike look expensive. Powerful and timeless comfort built for long rides. Suzuki has always understood comfort, and the 2026 C50T proves it again. The relaxed riding position, wide seat, and stable chassis make long journeys feel easy. Wind protection is improved, and the bike feels calm even at highway speeds. This is a cruiser made for riders who want to ride far, not just pose technology with simplicity. The Boulevard C50T doesn't try to overwhelm the rider with unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on reliability and ease of use. Modern enhancements remind you that this is a 2026 machine, but the soul remains classic. Everything feels solid, dependable, and built to last. Exactly what Suzuki fans expect. Why everyone is talking about it. People said Suzuki was quiet. People said Suzuki was silent. But look now, the Boulevard C50T is back, and all people accept it. This bike proves that Suzuki doesn't chase trends. Suzuki builds legends. When the time is right, Suzuki returns with confidence, quality, and strength, a true cruiser legend reborn. The 2026 Suzuki Boulevard C50T is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement: big power, big change, new look, new design, and a legendary name that still carries weight. This is for riders who respect tradition but demand progress. This is Suzuki, reminding the world who they are. Final words from Emotos. At Emotos, we believe the 2026 Suzuki Boulevard C50T represents the true spirit of cruising: strong, elegant, and timeless. The legend has returned, and it's ready to rule the road once again. Stay connected with Emotos for more legendary motorcycle stories.